Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now this is the car I want to transform. This is the Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 2. A 4-door saloon, 6.2 litre V8. Now this is the car I want to transform it into. The Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud R. But it might look like this. But no, it's definitely going to look like that. But it could look like this. But no, this is the one we're going to do. What do we have to do next? Well, got to get it 3D digitally scanned. So, I've invited the guys from GTR to come and scan it for me. They have put all these little silver stickers on, and these are datum points. This is so they can move the scanner about and it knows exactly where the car is, or where it was at the last point. So what's that head you got in your hand?
This is the Metroscan, and this talks to C-Track. This is the calibration unit for the Metroscan, and if you look on the screen, as I get closer, it goes yellow, and then I'll be in line. So it's all based on angles and distance.
Wow. So are you calibrating the head at the moment, or are you just showing me what it does?
This is calibration as we speak, so I am multitasking. So as I come away from the plate, my black circle gets large.
Yeah.
And as I come closer, it gets smaller to the right size. However, I need to be on the right angle to get it to go green. There are quite a few angles to get through because it's based in 3D space.
So would anyone understand what you've just said? Because I have not got a clue what that all meant.
Yeah, if you rewind and listen to me again, I think I explained it okay, but it's not the listener's fault. It would be my fault for not explaining completely clearly what I was trying to do. But it's an amazing bit of kit.
That is unbelievable, isn't it?
And for the sake of accuracy and reliability, it's important to do it.
So what am I looking at now?
Essentially, that's saying that the calibration's complete. We'll save it based on our result of 20 microns, which is fantastic. There we go.
And just work it along like that into a big mesh, and then use that mesh to then reference it when we scan it. So if you'd like to, cool. So now he's just acquiring the targets. So we started on the bar, so we've got the length between those targets. We can apply that.
Okay.
So you can see all the little dots here.
So that is actually the
positioning targets. Anything that's red is being currently seen. Anything grey has been previously seen.
told me in this view.
So that's been got.
Cool. Yep. So I can finalise that now. So now the software will work out what is actually a target and what isn't.
Right. Okay.
So you see these clumps here are targets. They're not actually there, but that might be glare off of the car.
Right. Okay.
That it's picked up as more than one target.
So you can make that sort of vanish and.
Yeah. So I'll finalise it, and there you go. It's taken them all out. It knows they're not there. So now we've got a model. You can see all the targets I've placed on the car.
Right. Okay.
So we'll just go along it and check that we've got enough targets
in
each position.
Yeah, we'll go that way a little bit.
So if anything goes wrong.
Yeah, if it's calibrated yearly, anything goes wrong, it just goes straight back to them.
Well, that's not too bad then, is it?
Yeah. So,
still a lot of money though, isn't it?
yeah. And then it's connected via the Ethernet port.
In the dark.
So what's the process? Is the box down there?
So the box takes all the data in.
Yeah.
So what's doing all the work then? That box?
Oh yeah.
This box is doing the heavy lifting.
yeah, apart from you.
It's doing all the heavy lifting in terms of computing the position
Data.
of each point.
How much was that software room? It was quite a lot.
I can get both.
How much is a lot? £2 grand?
I think so even a year is.
What is that, the licence?
Yeah.
What happens if you sell it? You get a refund or?
No.
That's just it. That's a commitment, isn't it?
But it does mean if it gets damaged, then you send it from there, just repair it.
Oh, it's like warranty.
Yeah.
So you feel like you could just chuck it on the floor, don't need it for a couple of
Yeah.
weeks, let's get it all.
Forget about it.
Let's get a new one.
Yeah, it's dusty, I want a new one.
So is this the calibrated one that you got back?
No.
Or still
So
not holes?
they're paired. So that will only work with that one.
Okay.
So we've got that one. We've always been lost.
Was that the thing you were saying was delivered?
Yeah. So
The rest is.
I don't know where it is. Because someone's looking at it tonight. Scanning the window like the QR code to the destination. We just type it in.
Really?
Yes, go. Oh, that's going.
That's safe.
Oh, let's go into Netherlands 1. It's like, we should have got numbering. Oh, let's go anyway.
It's Turkey, yeah.
So you've got a single line mode, it's just filled into. So because you've got 12 lasers,
Yeah,
it can get misinterpreting the data. So if you just take it down to 1, then you can rely that any thing coming back came from
yeah, come from that one.
You have to just twist it.
There it is, you got it.
There you go.
So is it just external lights that mess it up?
Because it thinks it's part
Mm. Yeah. But it doesn't get confused by its own lasers. Doesn't look at it, is it? We pointed at a hole, we lit hallway and a metal shelf.
Okay.
Just tiny bit. Yeah, it's coming up. That's it.
Up the thing, sir.
Yeah, on the side furthest to the wall of that lighthouse.
Well, here.
Yeah, that's the area. That's it.
And can we do it on the lady as well, just light her up?
Dad, can you point it at the light again?
Yeah.
Oh, look at
Just doing some filming.
Yeah.
Yeah, carry on, carry on.
Mr. Green Wheel.
Look at that.
So you can see the triangles that are lit up.
Lights out.
So you can see every triangle there.
Oh my god, look at it.
So every single bit's a point there. Got the difference in the form of that.
Yeah.
But you're relying on there for the most of the form being the same.
I guess we could, we can see
You
the,
can see that's the error. But that just gives you a quick visual on what's going to look like once you measure it. Because I could start defining features, because it might be that one piece like the grille is not perfect to the car,
just throwing it all out.
so it throws it off a little bit.
It looks like it's probably a line. I don't know.
Thanks to the guys at GTR, the car is now scanned. So what do we do next? Well, not so much me, what they have to do next. They have to take all that digital information and slice it. With a little bit of jiggery pokery and a little bit of magic, this is what we've got. An egg box buck. And it's all individually sectioned, so I can see in between of when I'm shaping the aluminium, see where it's touching. Once it's touching all places, hopefully it'll fit. All these panels will have to be cut on a CNC router. If you think I'm going to be cutting these by hand, you've got another thing coming. There's 70 panels, 70 individual panels. Now, what we'll do is just send a Niger's file to the routers. They'll stick it in their machine and they'll all come out lovely, hopefully. Now the beauty of this all slots together. There's no screws, there's no glue, just all slots together. So hopefully by the next video we'll be putting it together. Now I hope you've liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Any questions I'll try and answer. Thanks for watching. Until the next video.